Hey, this is Pierre from NotionForms. In this video, I will show you how you can build an employee engagement survey using NotionForms. First step is to have created a database in your Notion workspace where you're going to store the information. So here on the left-hand side in my NotionForms workspace, I have an employee engagement, which is a simple table for now with 6 columns. One for the name of the employee, second one for the role, third one for what he likes about the company, what he dislikes, what could be done better, and his level of happiness, a single select that is ratings with stars. So these are the information I want to ask each one of my employees, let's say. So now I need to create the form. Back to my Notion Forms account, I'm going to create a new form and simply select my employee engagement form. So here I have my form ready to be customized. So we're going to change the title to, we're going to keep the title simple. So employee engagement survey. Tell us more about your experience working for us. Here, I'm just going to scroll down to the form structure to change the starting positions of each of these fields. So I'm going to ask for the name first. I'm going to then ask for the role. I'm going to ask what he or she likes at the company, what he or she dislikes, and what could be done better. And then finally, their level of happiness. I want to make all these fields required, or yes, that's what I want to do. And then I'm just going to edit those fields a bit. So what is your name? Here, it's a simple line for the role. So what is your role? Here, I want to let the user maybe put multiple lines into these fields, which is where we're going to ask, what do you like about working for us? I'm going to do the same thing for my dislikes. So what do you dislike about working for us? Here we can also put multi-lines input and say, what could we do better? And then here we're going to ask for what is your level of happiness. And here we go. We have customized our field. We could add a logo of our company, a cover picture of a company as well. And now I can just create the form and we're gonna test it. So here I'm gonna open it in a new page. I'm gonna say my name is Pierre. I am I'm just a software engineer, let's say. What do you like about working for us? Great. I have a great team. What do I don't like? The long hours, let's say. What could we do better? More activities outside work, for example, and my level of happiness. And I'm gonna say I'm a 4-star. Submit. And now back to my Notion database, and I can see that I've received my first employee engagement survey answer.